server located, access granted. You've been told that building a business takes months of planning, thousands of dollars, and a team of experts. That's a lie, because today, I'm going to show you how to launch a fully functional money-making business using nothing but ChatGPT. From idea, to product, to marketing, in real time. And we're doing it Spectre style. No fluff, no filler, just raw execution. Listen carefully. Every step you're about to hear can be replicated from your laptop in less than a day. But here's the thing. Most people won't do it. Why? Because they're too busy asking ChatGPT the wrong questions, instead of treating it like an employee. So here's the plan. You and I, we're about to build a business, live inside this system. Step by step, let's begin. The intel phase, finding the perfect idea. Most people fail here because they try to guess what will sell. We're not guessing. We're pulling market intel straight from the machine. Inside ChatGPT, type list 10 trending, high-demand digital business ideas for 2025 that can be started with no upfront inventory cost. Watch it compile a list, but don't just accept the first one. Push deeper. For idea number 3, give me a breakdown of target audience, top competitors, and a unique angle to stand out. Already, you're bypassing weeks of research. By the end of this phase, you'll have a profitable niche, a target market, and a differentiator, without spending a dollar. The blueprint phase, building your offer. Now that we know what we're selling, we need to create why people will buy it. Command ChatGPT, create a complete value proposition, product description, and benefits list for this business idea. This gives you the skeleton. Next, we weaponize it. Rewrite this in a high-conversion copywriting style for landing pages. Boom! You now have your sales pitch locked in. This is where most people panic, thinking they need a designer or developer. They don't, because in the next step, ChatGPT is going to give us the assets. The build phase, creating the product or service. If you're doing a digital product like an ebook, course, or template, ChatGPT will create it for you. Example prompt: outline a 5-chapter ebook teaching beginners how to monetize with AI tools in 2025. Then write the full first chapter in an engaging style. Chapter by chapter, it will hand you done-for-you content. You edit lightly, and suddenly, you have a product ready for market. If your idea is service-based, like resume writing, marketing, or automation, ChatGPT will build the SOPs, standard operating procedures, so you can deliver the service without guessing. Command: write a step-by-step workflow for delivering X service to a client, including communication templates and quality checklists. You now have a complete fulfillment system, instantly. The identity phase, branding in minutes. Branding is where people overspend, but not here. Prompt ChatGPT, generate 5 edgy, mysterious brand name ideas for this business that give a hacker tech vibe. Once you pick one, write a brand story in a style that appeals to digital entrepreneurs and AI enthusiasts. Now you've got the narrative. For the visuals, hop into a free AI design tool like Canva or Leonardo AI. Feed it the brand name, vibe, and color scheme. In minutes, you have a logo, banners, and mock-ups, all without hiring a designer. The digital presence phase, building your website. You don't need to code. You don't need to pay $2,000 for a developer. Tell ChatGPT, write the complete copy for a 1-page high-conversion website for business name, including headlines, product descriptions, call to action buttons, and FAQ. Then drop that into a free website builder like WordPress with Elementor, Card, or Framer. In under an hour, you'll have a site that looks like you paid a pro. The launch phase, instant marketing. Now that the business exists, we flip the switch on marketing. Prompt. Create a 30-day social media content calendar promoting business name, including hooks, captions, hashtags, and content formats for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. You don't just get post ideas, you get scripts you can read, reels you can film, and captions ready to paste. For paid ads, you don't need an agency. Prompt. Write 3 variations of a Facebook ad targeting target audience, using curiosity-based headlines and persuasive body copy. Upload, target your niche, and let the algorithm work. The monetization phase. First sales in 24 hours. Here's the part they don't tell you. The first sale is the hardest. Not because it's technically hard, but because most people overcomplicate it. We keep it simple. Post everywhere daily. Use AI to reply instantly to every comment and DM. Offer a limited time bonus to the first 10 customers. ChatGPT can even write the bonus for you. With the right offer and visibility, your first sale can happen before the day ends. The automation phase, scaling without burnout. The moment you've got sales, automate. Prompt. Build a list of free or low-cost automation tools to handle email replies, customer onboarding, and social media posting for this business. Now your business runs while you sleep. That's not hype. That's system design. So here's the truth. You can sit on the sidelines and watch other people use AI to escape the 9 to 5. Or you can plug into the system, follow exactly what I showed you, and have your own business running in hours, not months. The tools are free. The blueprint is here. The only missing piece is you. Spectre Underground. We don't wait for permission. We build in the shadows. Subscribe before they patch this method out.